So Geronimo is given this open shot on the one. Whether he takes it into the side or the corner is the question. Chooses the corner. And looks like, who is it going to be? Yan, yun, nakikita nga natin dito. Mukhang ligpitable na ito, Doc, ha? Given to that 5 ball.
For Geronimo, pwede niyang batakin dito for the 4 on the other corner. There you go.
Pumalag, of course. Isipin mo, 12-8 na lamang na Manila MSW
Yes.
Mavericks noon.
9 carom shot.
Oo. And meron pa siyang
Amazing.
may golden break pang naisama doon. The last 3 balls. Pero kagabi, ang dami ring sablay ni Capeji. So, Geronimo, right on line now for this 9 ball. The gentleman from Marilao, Bulacan, gets the first rack as we are underway dito sa ating one-on-one Wednesdays.